everyone. Today is 1:30 and I'm going to the party. Alam niyo guys, last year hindi ako naka-attend ng party kasi I spent my Christmas there in America. But now, I am excited to see my old friends. And look at me guys, my OOTD is different. For sure, ang dami dong naka-red. But mine, you see, yellow and black. And the design is sunflower. Diba? Kaiba ako? Okay guys, see you later. I'm going. Okay guys, nandito na ako sa sasakyan ng aking friend, aming kapitbahay na mabait. Siya ay si Mrs. Nini Lupena. Eto siya guys. Oy,
dito na kami.
Talaga, okay. Dinadaanan kami at pupunta na kami sa venue. Doon sa house ng aming president. Resort. Okay guys. Bye. Hi guys, this is the Paprela. Yan ang aming party. Oh, baliktad. Guys, siya ang aming president ng Majestic at saka dito sa aming Paprewa, di ba?
Paprewa.
O kaya nga. Ay, grabe, nakakatuwa lang tayo. Guys, nakakatuwa. Nandito lahat ang aking mga friend. Oh, eto ang aking friend. Best friend ko na. Nandito din ang aking kumare. Nandito ang aking kumare. Oh, yan ang mga friend ko. Kita niyo na ang aking friend. Ay, may mga nagsasalitang handida. Guys, nagsisimula na ang aming party. Okay, dadasal kami.
Bless the hands that have prepared this food. May they prepare more healthy and nourishing food for your people. May they be blessed with your peace and love. Bless all who are present here today and all families back home, that we may experience the true meaning of Christmas. May we learn to give more than to receive. Just
guys, pagkatapos ng dasal ay nagbibigay ng rapport at tayo ay manood at makinig at baka mabunot ang aking pangalan guys. Kaya keep on watching, baka mabunot ang pangalan ko, namimigay guys ng gift. Okay. Namimigay ng gift guys, baka tayo mabunot. Okay, listen. Okay.